Weather time now, and it was another nippy start to the day with temperatures 3 to 6 degrees below average. Stanthorpe recorded the state's lowest temperature with -3. In the north, Cairns climbed to 27 degrees, Mount Isa and Gladstone peaked at 22. Coconut Island was the state's hottest centre with 33. In the south, Warwick, Dalby and Roma all dropped to 0 overnight. Gundawindi and the Gold Coast got to 19 degrees, the Sunshine Coast 20. Brisbane reached 22 degrees today. Ipswich dipped to 2 degrees overnight. That's 5 below average. To rainfall, and it was dry across much of the state, but 18 millimetres fell in the gauge at Double Island Point before 3 o'clock this afternoon. Rainbow Beach recorded 11 millimetres. On the satellite photo, a band of high cloud extends across northern Australia with an upper trough, but it's not producing any rain. And a strong high over the Great Australian Bight extends a firm ridge into central Australia and southern Queensland. A high over Victoria will ensure conditions remain fine and dry over much of the state tomorrow, but a slight increase in humidity over southern Queensland will bring more frosts. Isolated showers are expected about the east coast and over Cape York. Interstate, they'll be shivering in Canberra with a low of -5 tomorrow. Sunny for Sydney, Adelaide and Darwin. Melbourne heading for 15 degrees. Back home, a strong wind warning is current for east coast waters between Torres Strait and Cape Moreton. So to the forecasts now, and in northern districts, isolated showers about the east coast, north of Rollington and north of Cowan in the afternoon. Mostly fine in the west, only isolated afternoon showers in the northeast Maranoa and Warrego, with early frost patches in the south. To central parts, mainly fine at first, with some scattered showers developing from the south late in the day. Rockhampton 23 degrees. In the southeast, isolated showers about the coast, also over the Eastern Downs and Burnett. Kingaroy heading for 19 degrees, 14 to 20 for the Sunshine Coast, 13 to 20 on the Gold Coast. Bundaberg heading for a top of 23, Hervey Bay looking to reach 22 degrees. A shower or two for Brisbane tomorrow, 13 to 21 in the city and Bayside, 8 to 21 for Ipswich. And looking ahead, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday should be mostly fine, but a shower or two could fall on Friday and Saturday, top temperatures ranging from 21 to 23 degrees. On Moreton Bay, southeast winds at 15 to 20 knots, lighter south to southwest winds inshore during the morning, seas to 1 metre, and the first high tide tomorrow morning is about 20 to 11.